video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a unique macrame star ornament. This is a beginner-friendly project and a great intro to intricate knotting. It's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. This is the channel where you will find all things macrame. In this video tutorial, we will be going over a macrame star ornament. This is a great beginner's project, especially for those of you who are looking to take your skills up a notch and try out some intricate knotting. This is a step-by-step guide to making the star ornament using the double half-inch knot. I do recommend, however, if you haven't tried the double half-inch knot yet, to practice it a few times before starting this one. It will definitely make the pattern go a lot more smooth. If you guys do want to practice this knot first, make sure you check out the double half-inch knot video on our channel. Regardless, I will be walking you through this pattern step by step, so it should be fairly easy to follow along with. So whether you're looking for Christmas decor or you're just looking for something pretty to hang up on your wall, stay tuned and let's get started. You will need a few materials and supplies for this pattern. I've used 3mm macrame cord and some thin string. The materials I will be using for this pattern are the 1.5mm 2-ply string I have on the left and then 3mm macrame cord on the right. Both this 3mm cotton macrame cord and the 1.5mm string are from our rainbow cord line. These are made from 100% recycled cotton materials. These cords and strings are perfect for any type of macrame project and for any skill level, especially as a beginner when you are unknotting and re-knotting several times. These cords hold up well to that. To begin, we're going to start with our first cord at 115 centimeters long. We're going to fold it in half and place the loop end down horizontally like so. And the loop end should mark the center point of this cord, and we're just going to take some tape and we're going to tape the top end down. Leave about 1 centimeter space to the right and then take that bottom end and place it over to the right. Taking a second strand of 115 centimeter long cord, place it vertically underneath this horizontal cord and make a double half-hitch knot. Make one half-hitch and then a second double half-hitch knot, and then before you tighten, we're going to combine the ends together so that we tighten towards the center of the cord. And then before you tighten it fully, we're going to pull on the bottom end so that the bottom end is slightly longer than the top. And that's because we're going to be folding that right horizontal cord underneath again, making a second double half-hitch knot at the bottom. Before we make that second double half-hitch knot at the bottom, we're just going to take a 25 centimeter long string and we're going to make a reverse lark's head knot onto that horizontal cord on the right. And then once secured with a reverse lark's head knot, make an overhand knot at the top. And this part forms the handle of the ornament. Now take that horizontal cord end from the right, fold it down, and make a double half-hitch knot to the left. Once complete, we're going to take the bottom right cord end as an anchor cord, fold it over to the left, and we're going to make a double half-hitch knot to the left. Then flip the pattern onto the other side and repeat the same pattern on the other side. If at any point in the tutorial you are confused with some of the knots used, I am trying to walk them through slowly step by step, but if you do feel like you need to practice, say, the double half hitch knot first or the gathering knot first before you continue with this pattern, then definitely go ahead and do so by checking out the double half hitch knot video within our channel. Once completed, we're going to take our third 115 centimeter long cord and make another 2 double half hitch knots vertically on the 2 horizontal cords. Make sure you pull on the cord ends tightly, so the anchor cords and the working cords, to make sure everything is nice and tight and neat. Once the first part of the pattern is complete, we can now place the handle on the top and continue working on the pattern down the sides. So taking that bottom right anchor cord, we're going to fold it over to the right for a double half hitch knot row to the right. So it should be 2 double half hitch knots to the right. Now taking that second cord from the right as an anchor cord, make 1 double half hitch knot to the right. Fold the anchor cord downwards towards the left, make 1 double half hitch knot towards the left. Now to finish this next section, we're just going to take the far right cord as an anchor cord and make 2 double half hitch knots to the left. And then now we have completed our second section. Once you're done, you're going to take the right 3 cord ends and repeat for another section directly below on the right side. So once the 2 sections are complete on the right side, we're going to repeat the exact same pattern on the left side, mirroring what we just did on the right for 2 consecutive sections. As you can see, we have a section at the top, 2 on both sides, and now we're going to finish off the bottom section. Taking the anchor cord on the left side, folding it to the left, we're going to make 2 double half hitch knots to the left. Then taking the second cord from the left as a anchor cord, make 1 more double half hitch knot to the left. Now repeat the exact same pattern on the right, mirroring what we just did on the left. The star part of the pattern is now complete. All we have to do is combine both sides together at the bottom. To do that, we're going to turn the pattern upside down. Taking the top cord from both sides, we're going to connect them in the center with either a double half hitch knot or double overhand knot. What I'm doing here is a double half hitch knot, so I'm just taking the right cord as an anchor cord, left cord as a working cord for a double half hitch knot here. Now we're going to take a strand of cord at 30 centimeters long, and we're going to make a gathering knot at the bottom. So you can either use a different colored cord, different type of string, that's totally up to you. I'm using a metallic cord for this. And what I'm going to do is make a loop with one end, then hold it with one hand, take the longer end and wrap it around a few times. Then take that end and weave it through the loop we made in the beginning, and then we're going to pull on the top end to tighten. Then cut off the excess cord ends at the top and bottom. Then last but not least, trim the fringe at the bottom to your desired length. And that's a wrap with our macrame star ornament tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and learned some new techniques on how to apply a basic knot like the double half hitch knot into some intricate knot patterns. If you guys feel you're ready to advance your macrame skill set even further, we do offer some advanced macrame lessons on our BOCHIKNOT macrame community on Patreon. We do go over specific intricate knotting techniques and then also help you in creating your own macrame designs. If you feel you're up for the challenge, make sure you check us out on patreon.com/BOCHIKNOT for further details. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.